This is fit for a 2011 through 2015 Kia Sorento 5-door with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima TimberLine CoreBar base roof rack system. The system is using the CoreBar 50 inches in length, the TimberLine towers which connect to the raised side rails using a rubberized stainless steel band. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 30 inches from front to rear, center to center. That is a variable measurement along the length of the raised rails. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.